Welcome to your own slice of nature paradise in the heart of Roanoke. This enchanting 4-bedroom, 2.5-bath home sits on over 2-acre lot, perfect for wildlife and nature enthusiasts. Step inside to discover a meticulously renovated interior. Entertain in the expansive living room and dining area, or relax on the 13x6 covered porch. Surrounded by serene ambiance with no neighbors behind the property. The kitchen has undergone a stunning transformation with luxurious quartz countertops and ceramic backsplash, custom hickory cabinets, and a charming farmhouse sink. Enjoy the warmth of the wood-burning stove in the newly trimmed and drywalled space. The master bedroom retreat awaits on the main level, complete with an ensuite bathroom and spacious walk-in closet. An attached 23x12 workshop to the 2-car garage with the garage door facing the backyard ensures easy access while mowing. For outdoor enthusiasts, this home offers proximity to downtown Roanoke's restaurants, parks, and shopping, while still providing a tranquil retreat with mature trees and established landscaping. Don't miss your chance to own this idyllic sanctuary where modern amenities meet natural beauty. Call Mike Patmore today and start living the peaceful lifestyle you deserve.